So in 2019, we did a video on best budget Bluetooth headphones under 3000 and it's 2020, time for iteration. But this time around, let's raise the bar to 5000 rupees. So yeah, in this video, we will be covering Mi Basic headphones, Bolt Audio Pro Bass, Akg Pro K92, JBL 750 Btnc, Sony WH-C510. Let's start the segment with the most popular headphones of 2019. Yes, the Mi Super Bass wireless headphones. And two-word review. It's basic. First thing first, I'm not a big fan of on-the-ear headphones. I usually don't recommend them due to one prime reason. Yes, discomfort. So with that out of the way, these headphones offer good audio quality. I mean that thumping bass, that's there. You will love listening to Bollywood songs, upbeat music or streaming Netflix on it. The headphones also offer good 20 hours of battery life provided that you listen at 70 to 80% volume, while most of the other headphones offer only 10 hours. But then of course you always have the option to plug in aux cable. However, it's something that people don't usually carry with themselves and you won't find headphone jack in most of the smartphones. So yeah, battery life really helps. Although if you want to see the full review, I will leave the link in the description and in the YouTube cards. Overall, the audio quality is decent and the battery backup is close to 20 hours. However, the on-ear design really gets uncomfortable after 20 minutes of usage. So if you're looking for a headphone for small commute, this should be fine. However, if you're looking for a long-term usage, then consider the Bolt Pro Bass, which is available at same price. Hey guys, a gentle reminder. So we are going live on YouTube today at 12 PM afternoon to discuss the best deal on Amazon, your products Q&A and lots of surprise giveaway. So yeah, see you there in an hour. Akg Pro K92 are not a Bluetooth headphones, but it's still my favorite headphones in the list, not only because it has truly over-the-ear design which makes it really comfortable to wear over a long period of time, but the audio quality is quite clear and crisp. Now Akg has three different headphones, the K52, the K72 and K92. So in this video we have the K92 and the review might mostly hold true for other headphones as well. Now talking about the build quality, these are the largest pair of headphones in the list and the ear cups are truly over the ear. I can wear it for long hours and not feel any discomfort. There is also a strap that helps you to distribute the weight of the headphones on top of your head rather than on the ear themselves. The only caveat is the non-detachable cable. This one for sure is definitely not made to be used outside the house or even when you are on the move. Now talking about the audio quality, it's pretty good too. The vocals are clear and close to actual music. I can easily recommend it to most music lovers or even gamers. To give you a perspective, we have been using the Audio-Technica M20X and both of them are quite similar. Both headphones are over the air and great for studio monitoring, although do keep in mind, both don't have a mic, so you won't be able to make calls or use the mic while gaming. Sure, there's a lot of noise leak in these headphones, but then again, for a reference headphone, that's okay. Overall, if you're a musician or a video editor and don't mind extra cables, then this Akg K92 Pro is perfect for you. Next up we have the JBL 750 Btnc. I was quite excited to try it out. Two reasons. Active noise cancellation and over-the-ear design. But I was disappointed. Now before we come to that, let's take a look at the headphones itself. It looks premium and although it's made of plastic, it feels sturdy. On the right ear cup, there are a power button which works as a Bluetooth pairing button, followed by volume up, down and a button to enable active noise cancellation. And for charging, there is a micro USB. Pretty standard stuff. However, you usually don't see an extra padding in the head area in the budget ones, so that's nice. And the ear cups are pretty soft and provide some good noise isolation. Now talking about the ear cups, although the headphones are advertised as over-the-ear headphones, it's not actually truly over-the-ear. I wasn't able to use it for more than half an hour. I mean technically it's over-the-ear if you compare the ear cups with other on-the-ear headphones like Tag or Sony, but a true over-the-ear headphone has a larger ear cups like Akg ones, which perfectly fits my ear. But my biggest disappointment came from active noise cancellation. I mean, I was able to cut the fan noise, but it had no impact on the ambient noise or even the people talking. I usually use the AirPods Pro or Bose QC35 and compared to them, these headphones cancel only 20% of the noise. Other than that, the audio quality wasn't that impressive and the thumping bass that JBL is known for, I didn't find it here. And the battery is pretty average too. Overall, two highlighted features to get this headphones is over-the-ear design and active noise cancellation, and it does none of that really well. Other than that, the audio quality and the battery backup is quite decent, but then again, you can get it at cheaper headphones. So in short, I don't really recommend this. An average headphone in this price segment offers 10 hours of battery life, but Sony WS-C510 offers not only 20, 30, but 35 hours of battery life. Now, keeping the awesome battery life aside, the first thing you notice about the Sony headphone is the smaller form factor. I mean, here's it side by side with Bolt, AKG and Mi headphones, and as you can see, it's quite compact. Should be easy to put it in a travel bag. Also, if you have a slim body type, these will look better on you compared to other bulky headphones. But at the same time, the smaller ear cups also get uncomfortable after 15 minutes of use. Like I said, not a big fan of on-the-ear headphones. Moving on to the right ear cups, you have the generic volume up, down and power button along with Type-C. Yes, finally. And then there is a mic for calling as well. Now, just in case you are looking for headphones to make a voice call, here's the audio sample from each headphones. Okay, so this is the audio coming from the headphones 1, and as you can listen, there is a lot of background noise and crows crowing in the background. So this is the audio sample coming from the headphones 2 with the same background noise and crows crowing in the background. And this is the audio sample coming from the headphone number 3 amidst the same environment. And finally, the audio coming from headphone number 4, obviously the same environment, the same environmental constraints. And finally, the audio quality on Sony, well, there's nothing special about the audio quality here. I mean, it's no way worst, but there are a lot of cheaper headphones which sounds better than this. To me, it seems like these headphones are built for people who travel frequently. I mean, the battery life is awesome. It takes less space in the bag and there is also Type-C charging, so no extra cable to keep around. Overall, if and only if you're looking for headphones with great battery backup, go for Sony. Other than that, the audio quality and the build quality is just too basic for the price. Not recommended. Next up, we have the Bolt Pro base, which falls under the same price segment as Mi headphones, but offers kind of over-the-ear design, so it doesn't get uncomfortable like the Mi headphones. As you can see, compared to the Mi headphones, the ear cups are slightly bigger, so it will be able to engulf the air better than the Mi headphones. The build quality is quite premium too. There is this extra padding for the head area and the leather cushioning for the ear cups. Now, talking about the range, it has a range of 10 meters. In fact, all the headphones, TWS on-neck bands that we have tested in the past 1 year has the same range, which is sufficient to move around in 2 or 3 rooms without a drop of any signal. It's a decent pair of comfortable headphones, but in terms of audio quality, its speakers are more in the boosted side, which means it's good for EDM or poppy song. However, for vocals or old songs, this is not recommended. So finally, which one should you buy? Well, this time it's more like which one not to buy, and JBL 750 Btnc is on top of my list. It's just too expensive for the feature it offers, and same is the case with Sony headphones. The build quality and the audio quality is just too underwhelming for the price it offers. The only thing it is good at is the battery backup. However, if you're looking for a good reference headphone for music production or editing, then consider AKG headphone. They are the most comfortable to wear for a long time, and the audio quality is crisp and clear. It's just that it's a wired headphone. And if I have to choose between the Bolt and Mi headphones, I prefer the Bolt Pro base. It offers good value for money and a decent audio quality with better comfort. Either way, do let me know which one are you gonna buy in the comment section below. Or if you prefer neckband or TWS, check out our other videos which will be dropping out soon. As always, it's Mrunal signing off. Thank you for watching.